I'm here guys. I'm welcome to Princess Site. That was amazing! And so today we're going to do Coke and Mentos. I'm gonna think it's gonna happen. Do you think it's gonna explode or just stay in there? Or just like go down on the cane? What do you think? Comment down below. And we're gonna open it. And you will always have help for your parents. My dad opened it for me. Should I put them only one time? Or only all of them? Huh? What did you guys say? One at a time? Okay. And now what two? And now we're gonna put all of them at a time. Oh! That was amazing! Let's try again. Nothing's happening. No! And the Mento popped out. That was the perfect, right? I'm gonna put these really fast. Did you see that guy? It was so big and it went over a whole backyard. Oh, and look at guys. The Mentos are on the bottom. Who thought we're gonna explode? And who thought we're gonna get in my hand? Thank you for watching. I'm excited to put them Haileys. I'm so excited to have you and watch my YouTube videos. Bye!